Retired Air Marshal Henry Muchena has emerged as the new face of resistance within Zimbabwe's powerful liberation war establishment, leading a group of retired and serving military commanders opposing attempts to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule through Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Zarapinda mashoko kubuda panguva ino zvinyazi kubuda pachena kuti retired General Muchena ndo ari kuonekwa kunzi he has now replaced Geza. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipping up the headline of the news, Coup Imminent as General Muchena replaces Comrade Geza. Munawan Brajira Chiti. Retired Air Marshal comes after the death of outspoken war veteran Blessed Comrade Geza, who has been one of the most vocal liberation struggle figures resisting attempts to alter the constitution to prolong Mnangagwa's stay in power. Geza, who fled Zimbabwe following political pressure and the threats linked to his criticism of the government, died in exile in South Africa earlier this year until his death. He had repeatedly warned that altering the constitutional provisions to extend presidential terms would betray the ideals of the liberation struggle. The retired commanders invoked the ideological foundation of the liberation war, recalling ZANU-PF's revolutionary programs during the late 1970s. They cited slogans such as Gorere Msangano 1977, Gorere Vanhu 1978, Gorere Masimba Eva 1980 as evidence that the struggle was built on principles that political power should remain with the people. These were not mere slogans, the statement said. They were the covenant we made with every Zimbabwean that sovereignty would rest with the masses and not the privileged few. The generals argue that allowing members of parliament to alter presidential term limits without national referendum would reverse the democratic gains fought during the War of the Liberation. Political analysts say the emergence of Muchena is a leading voice of dissent within the liberation war establishment, suggesting that resistance that began with Comrade Geza may be evolving into broader movement among war veterans and retired military commanders. Geza's death in exile removed one of the most outspoken critics within the liberation struggle ranks, but his warnings about constitutional manipulation appear to have resonated among other senior figures. The intervention by Muchena and his colleagues now raises questions about whether Zimbabwe could be heading toward another political confrontation reminiscent of the events that led to Mugabe's removal in 2017. For now, the retired commanders say their objective is not rebellion, but the defense of the constitutional democracy. Ndoma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Panakomesa section za fungo enyu munotodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, musangano subscribe or like wachiri nokuti now the bell icon.